In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change H1 tag font size on Squarespace. If you want your main page headings to stand out more clearly, or you feel they're currently too large for your design, Squarespace makes it fairly simple to adjust your heading styles through the built-in design settings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can find the font controls related to your site's headings. To get started, log into your Squarespace website dashboard and make sure you're on the main website editing or configuration area. From here, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click Site Styles. This is the section where Squarespace keeps many of your design-related settings, including colors, spacing, and typography. If you're updating the appearance of your site, this is usually one of the first places you'll want to visit. Once Site Styles opens, the next step is to click on Fonts. This will take you into the typography settings for your website. Fonts in Squarespace control much more than just the typeface itself. They also affect how different text elements appear across your site, including headings, paragraph text, buttons, and other content areas. So if your H1 tags need a size adjustment, this is the right general area to work from. After that, select fonts again if prompted within the style panel. Depending on your Squarespace version or the layout of the editor, you may see an additional fonts option inside the design menu. Go ahead and choose it so you can fully open the font controls. This is where Squarespace groups the settings for your text styles and heading appearance. At this point, you'll be in the correct section to work with your heading typography, including the H1 style. Take a moment to review the available heading options carefully, because Squarespace often organizes text settings by heading level and text type. When adjusting your H1 size, it's a good idea to preview the change as you go so you can make sure the heading looks balanced on both desktop and mobile screens. Also, keep your overall branding in mind. A larger H1 can create stronger visual impact, while a slightly smaller one may give your site a cleaner and more modern feel. The best choice depends on your layout, your font family, and how much emphasis you want your primary headings to have. That's it for getting to the correct area in Squarespace to change your H1 tag font size. Once you're inside the font settings, you'll be ready to fine-tune the look of your site headings and create a style that fits your brand more effectively.